If you want your skin to stay soft and glowing even in freezing weather, then this is the winter body care guide you need. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. As the weather makes us bring out our cozy sweaters and warm drinks, let's not forget to take care of our skin too. In this video, we're creating a complete body care guide. Products, DIYs, hacks and tips, so let's get into it. Moisturization. This is the season to be super generous with your moisturizers and creams because the air is dry and your skin is about to get drier. And I love using the Vaseline Gluta-Hya lotion. I love that it's got a serum lotion formula with some great ingredients like glutathione and niacinamide that help to brighten and even out dark spots, along with hyaluronic acid for that rich hydration. And the consistency is lightweight, but it seals in all the goodness you need. Pro tip, use your moisturizers on damp skin. So ensure to pat dry your skin after a cleanse or shower and then apply your moisturizer to lock in that hydration for even longer. Let's get into DIYs. If you find scrubs too harsh but want to exfoliate your skin this winter, here's a 2-ingredient face and body scrub. And just like my morning coffee, I love a good coffee scrub. The granules are gentle on the skin but effective enough to remove all the dead skin cells. And you just need 2 ingredients. You'll need some ground coffee, mix it up with warm coconut oil, and if you want a thinner consistency, you can simply add a few drops of water. All that's left to do is mix and apply. Pro tip, always gently rub the scrub in circular motions to exfoliate. The coconut oil will ensure that your skin is moisturized with a natural glow. DIY 2. If you're not someone for oils on the skin, here's another honey-based one. Simply take some brown sugar and mix it with a few tablespoons of honey and you're good to go. Body oils. I've recently started enjoying an added layer of care through body oils, and no, you don't need any fancy oils for this. Reach out for some coconut oil or mustard oil depending on the climate around you. Since mustard oil has warming properties, it works really well in cold climates, while coconut oil is moisturizing and works better in warmer ones. This too I apply on damp skin and just a few drops do the trick. You don't need a lot as that might make your skin feeling too sticky or oily. And if you'd like, you can always add a drop or two of essential oils like vanilla or lavender for a sweet fragrance. Pro tip, for a double layer of moisturization on extremely cold and dry days, what you can do is add a few drops of oil on the body and then layer it up with your body cream. You're going to be moisturized for days. Lip care. How can we forget about lips during the winter season? I try to be very diligent with my lip care routine as well, and I always start with exfoliation. Remember the honey and sugar scrub from earlier? That's actually my go-to for my lips as well, as it's gentle but effective even on sensitive areas. Plus, it tastes amazing, although eating is optional. Otherwise, I also have another favorite, which is Lakmé's Lip Love Scrub. Exfoliates gently and moisturizes the lips. And then to seal in all the plumpness and softness, I top it off with my go-to lip balm from LAT. And finally, sun protection. A lot of people say, but in winter, where is the sun? No, the sun rays still find their way all the way to your skin. SPF is non-negotiable throughout the year, no matter what weather, what climate, or what season. You can always switch up the consistency if you're not the biggest fan of thick or creamy sunscreens. And I love the Pond's sunscreen because of its gel-like texture. It's quick absorbing, doesn't leave a white cast, and has UVA and UVB protection with SPF 50. And that's a wrap. Body care is really simple, and with DIY, some of the best products are right in your kitchen. Let me know in the comments below which one you're going to try. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful, and I'll see you next time.